Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I just got a new RC car, and this thing's ginormous. Look at how big it is, and it goes super duper fast. And there's a bunch of snow in it, because it's snowing right now, and I was driving in this thing. But this is going to be a little thing of how this thing works. It's awesome. Let's get to it! Start this thing up. What's this? Oh, yeah. Guys, I'm gonna ramp it. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. If you guys were wondering who was doing all the filming, it was this guy. It's a sponsor, bro.